Now let's come down to this point which I wanted to convince you scientifically that you are intelligent. Every single one of you, in your own way. There is not a single unintelligent creature in this room. I mean, the cockroaches or the frogs are, I can't say. But as far as they are managing their own food. But in the level of consciousness, they will be far different than we would be. But as far as the ones that I can see, I'm going to give you scientific proof now that you are intelligent. You ready? It's called the theory of multiple intelligence. What's it called? How many of you have heard about it, by the way? Okay, I'm going to do a video on it because every single person, especially in India, needs to know this. It's long back, 1970s, this was researched by a gentleman at Harvard University, Dr. Howard Gardner, that intelligence is not of one type, it's of 9 different categories. He's expanding his list now, by the way. 9 different categories. Let's take a look. There is a naturalist, people who understand nature and the world around them. Folks like Galileo would look up into the stars and say, things like, okay, these constellations are here, or the sun is the center of the universe, not the earth, and come up with those sort of things. Those were the naturalists. There is musical intelligence. Someone like A.R. Rahman, for example. You know how much he charged for the Commonwealth Games Dhun? Tune बनाई थी उसने Commonwealth Games के लिए. Take a guess. 5 crore rupees. There was a theme song for the Commonwealth Games. 5 crore rupees. And you know what he said? This is for my own country, so I'm giving a discounted price. So a journalist asked him, Sir, कहाँ बैठते हो? कौन सी कॉफी पीते हो? कौन सी कुर्सी में बैठते हो कि धुन आती है? He said, no, I just simply sleep with the tune in my mind. I wake up in the morning, धुन emerge होती है, I go and record it. This is very hard to acquire. It's an inborn trait. It's musical intelligence. Take a look at the next one is logical mathematical, good with numbers, good with logic, good with critical thinking, those sort of things, right? Again, a type of... Now here the problem is, our examination system usually takes this part, right? Logical mathematical, and this part, linguistic, pretty much. Pretty much these two. We are scored on these two. Linguistic is words, bhashaएं, literature, and all those sort of things. And the second part is logical mathematical. Your science and all those subjects go here. We are scored on 2 aspects of intelligence. There is so much else. Look at this one, interpersonal intelligence. Heard of that? Interpersonal intelligence. People who are very good at other people. जिनको एक ही खूबी आती है कि दूसरों को अपने साथ कैसे लेके चलना है. You all must have a friend like that. है ना? That अगर वो नहीं आए, you're like यार आज वो नहीं आया यार, दिल नहीं लग रहा है ना? जो अपनी चाय कभी नहीं खरीदता, सारे बाकी दोस्त उसको चाय पिलाते हैं, पर फिर भी उसकी कंपनी चाहते हैं. ऐसे लोग बाद में जाके बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट्स और सीईओज बन जाते हैं because they know one thing, which is what? People. They are very good at people. This is not taught in books. This is not evaluated in examinations. But that does not mean people who have this skill, they are struggling. They are struggling at this one. This guy here, interpersonal skills, he's struggling at linguistic, he's struggling at logical mathematical. But he's very good with people. What is business all about? People. What is politics all about? People, right? They go out into the real world, they graduate and they're like, bring it on. And they succeed. And these guys who were topped in these 2 areas then think, what suddenly happened? मैं टॉपर था, ये पास ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਮਸਾ. How come he's the CEO? I'm giving him the interview. He has other sort of skills which are required to succeed in life. You get this? Yes or no? Yes. Right? So we have linguistic, poets, writers, novelists and things like that. Intrapersonal, people who know themselves very well. Right? They're able to study themselves. Spatial intelligence, visualizing the world in 3D. This is where sports and hitting moving balls at 120 kilometers per hour, those sort of activities come in. So you get the point now? You get the big picture? You definitely fit in somewhere in this chart. Some of the things you know, some of the things you don't know. But that does not mean that you are not intelligent. You fit in somewhere. You go explore that place. You go find it. You go nurture it. You go strengthen it. And do well, excel in the academics, excel in your examination system at the same time, but do not confuse any sort of setback as a stamp. कि मेरे तो label लग गया, कुछ नहीं होने वाला मेरा. Don't do that. Then you'll be doing yourself a lot of damage because life is a very long race. Remember, how many of you seen that movie 3 Idiots? Raise your hands, please. 3 Idiots. They did a challenge. 10 साल बाद फिर से मिलेंगे. And then everybody's life was different. A decade is a very long time. As you will graduate from the school after 10+2 when you leave,
And if you meet after 5 years even, you will see the trajectories of life are going to be very, very different. Same students, same schools, same teachers, same books. सब कुछ pretty much सामान्य है सबके लिए. But जो जिंदगी की जो दिशाएं निकलेंगी ना सबकी, they're going to be vastly different. And they are going to depend on a lot of other skills. So focus on that too as well, please, at the same time. Okay? It's not just a one-directional journey. Is that making sense? Now you're convinced you're intelligent? You see you can fit in somewhere here? आप confused लग रहे हैं सर थोड़ा सा.
Are you able to spot yourself somewhere here on this chart? There is something, some of who is not in touch yet with their strengths. They feel I don't really know what am I good at. So when I mean what are you good at means it comes naturally to you, number one. Number one precondition is it comes naturally to you. Number two, you do it to a reasonably very good degree. Number three, you have fun when you're doing it. These are the 2 or 3 parameters. You're enjoying the process. Number 4, time stop हो जाता है आपके लिए उस process में.
First, understand I'm intelligent. No matter what somebody tells you, exam system is going to evaluate you on 2 or 3 things. Okay? But you with grace you accept that, and you do well at it. But you also know I am much more than my report card.
I am much more in my report card in the long run. In the long run. That is also a very important part of that equation.